Hello, and welcome to The Right Way with Josette Hall. Today, we have another episode of Rephrase That Please, Part 2, Replacing Overused Words in Writing. One most common used word in writing is the word first. For example, first, one of my favorite places to travel is Anchorage, Alaska. Alternative words and phrases would be to begin with, primarily, firstly, and first and foremost. Another word that is used too much in writing is interesting. For example, the essay contains some interesting facts about the author's works. Some alternative words and phrases would be thought-provoking, intriguing, compelling, and engaging. Another word that we overused in writing is nice, which means pleasant. For example, the voyage to the Bahamas was nice. Even though nice is a very positive word, if we use it too much, can become dull and boring. Some alternative words and phrases that we could use are delightful, marvelous, commendable, and copacetic. This concludes this segment of The Right Way with Josette Hall. This has been part 2 of Rephrase That Please. Check for more content later. The end. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.